I really can't stand crappy wiring, and I like the switches to work properly. The OKA is nearly 30 years old, and the switches that are in the dashboard are difficult to get hold of these days, and the problem is the new ones actually don't fit in the holes very well. So this is a demonstration of how they go in, and you can see the gap up here. It's probably okay, but it's not good enough for me. So I'm going to replace it. I'm going to rebuild the whole dashboard and replace it with more modern switches like this. But just looking at what's behind the dashboard is a mess of wiring. A lot of it is been added. The factory fitted stuff is this stuff here, which is relatively neat, but there's a lot of stuff that's been added, and it's not what I would call excellent wiring. And there's some really interesting stuff here. The OKA has a dashboard or a binnacle that actually hinges up and allows access to the wiring underneath. Pretty good idea. The other thing I've got rid of is an old UHF-CB. It was Uniden 1, a UH011. It's 40 channel, so it's a bit outdated. Bin job.